Identify the chemical reaction occurring in Step 3. In Step 3, a strip of solid zinc, Zn, is added to the acidic solution containing dissolved copper ions, Cu to the power 2+. Because zinc is more active, more easily oxidized, than copper, a spontaneous single replacement, redox, reaction occurs where zinc dissolves into the solution and copper ions reduce to form solid copper metal. Zn plus Cu to the power 2+ gives Zn to the power 2+ plus Cu. Analyze the experimental discrepancy. The problem states that the final mass of the recovered solid was slightly more than the predicted theoretical yield. In gravimetric analysis, a measured mass that is higher than the predicted value indicates that the final solid product contains a contaminant or solid impurity. Determine the source of the contaminant. To drive the reaction to completion, zinc is typically added in excess. If some of the solid zinc reactant does not fully dissolve or is not physically separated from the precipitated copper metal, it will remain in the beaker as a solid. Relate the contaminant to the measured mass. During the final steps, the solid mixture of copper and any unreacted zinc is filtered, dried, and weighed together. Because the balance cannot distinguish between copper and zinc, the measured mass will include the mass of the unreacted zinc contaminant. This results in a final measured mass that is higher than the predicted mass of pure copper. This identifies option C as the correct explanation. The correct answer is option C. Some unreacted Zn was mixed in with the Cu.